I pick up my phone. I see all the negative comments, the hate, the insults. And none of these people know me. And it doesn't make me angry. It doesn't make me sad. I don't even feel ashamed. I actually like it. Because hate is attention without permission. For every loud comment, there are 10 silent people watching, thinking, and not saying a word. Some of them go to sleep with my words still in their heads. They wake up, brush their teeth, even sit on the toilet, and I'm still there. That's how influence works. No applause, no presence. Love makes you comfortable. Hate makes you unforgettable. And if you're not part of this tribe, you already know. Silence is where decisions are made.
Boot scoop, boots, boom, boom, cat, cat, wobble, wobble, boom, bap. Yeah!